Hi, so today I'm here with a little haul from JcPenney. I feel like JcPenney has been extremely underrated lately. Nobody really does hauls from there. Not a lot of people talk about it on YouTube. And I myself wasn't really shopping there either until one day I just happened to walk in there and I saw all of these clothes with affordable prices that were nice. So every time I would go to the mall, I would just go back in there and find something. So over the past couple of, I would say 2 months, I've been just getting a few things here and there, and I just really wanted to share them with you. So yeah, let's get started. So this dress I only purchased for, I believe, $10 to $13. It was on sale. It's like the perfect everyday dress. It's also perfect for like a lunch date and so forth. It's very flowy and pretty and cute, and I absolutely love the way it fits. I wore it on a cruise and it looked really, really pretty. So yeah, it's just one of those dresses that I always wanted and I never could find, and I'm really glad that I found it, and the price was just, you couldn't beat. And yes, it was on sale. I don't remember the original price, but I mean, I got it for like 30 bucks, so you can't beat that. And I love the back. The back is like really pretty. Yep. I just realized that it didn't show the length, so it's like, I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit above the knee height, which is like a perfect, I mean, like I love this dress. This is one of my favorites that I own. So yeah, I'm really glad that I found it. I like the sleeve length. It's just like a really cute, pretty everyday dress. This one is also like really cute and more of like an everyday, but the fabric is a little bit more heavier than the other one, and this one will like be perfect. Ooh, I hope I didn't show you my ass. But this one, I want to do it too much because I think you could see my ass. If you spin, it does like the typical, 50s vibe. This one is meant to wear either a strapless bra or no bra at all. It has a really pretty design on the back that I like. And again, the collar, I don't have anything like this. The length, again, is like right above the knee, like the other one was. I don't know if you could see, but like it's right above the knee. I didn't set up properly. If you don't have hips, like I don't, it will like cinch you right in the waist, and then like it will make your hips look a little bit bigger. I really like the flow of this dress, the material of this dress. It looks a bit more expensive than the other one, and this one was more expensive. I believe on sale I got it for like $42. So this one, I don't know the original price. I usually get everything on sale from JcPenney. Because they just have really good sales, but I couldn't pass on that dress, and I took it on a cruise as well, and I wore it. But yeah, just the back, really pretty. It's really nice and summery dress. Now this shirt right here I have two of. They have the same like design on your chest, but it's not identical. It's a little different, and I'll show you. This one I actually never wore out in public yet. I don't know, I just never had the opportunity to. But when I saw this, like, it's really cute. The fabric, however, is extremely thin. I'm sure you can see like every single fat on my body right now, but I do like it. I do think it's a pretty shirt that you can wear, every day, or whatever you want to do. The original price was $27, and this is the Arizona brand, which I really like. That's one of my favorites at JcPenney that they carry. But I got it on Black Friday for like $5. So you'll see the other one, and you'll see why I had to just get both. I was gonna get one, but I ended up getting two. Yeah, so this is the first one. It's really soft and thin material. And this is the other one that I was talking about. Obviously, I had to get one in black. I honestly regret not getting more colors. They had more, but it was just so busy that day. Obviously, it was Black Friday that I didn't even look at other ones, but I wish I got more. So this one, as you can see, the design is different. It still has that design on the chest, but it's a little bit just like a simple cross. With the black one, I feel like it's a little bit easier to wear because, and that's might be a little bit TMI or whatever, but it's so fitting that if you have a bloated day or whatever, the white one, you can see everything. And the black one kind of you can't, even though they lay exactly the same way, but because, the color is black, it's covering a little bit more. So I feel like that's what I've been wearing it more than the white one. But I do like them both. And this shirt right here, I aimed more for winter in Florida wear for the house. I bought this on sale for, I believe, $7.99. You cannot beat the price. They had different colors. I just gravitate to white and black. I mean, that's just me. Can't help it. You tie the sleeves. You can make these like really super tight at the wrist or more loose. Then, you know, obviously you can pull up and tie. You can do whatever essentially you want. I kind of thought about this for like only house loungewear. When you come home from work, you want to put something comfortable on. The material is extremely soft. I'll come a little closer. You can see like the fuzzy, but it's not super thick. So it's not, you know, -10-degree weather. It's more like fall weather, or when your house is cozy, but you still want to feel cozier. Like I said, I live in Florida, so our summer is back, but I still like to wear this guy around the house. It's really comfy. I feel like it looks a little bit more high-end than the usual like loungewear at home. Hi, baby. You guys want to see my dog? Up, 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 up. Come here. This is Zeke. Good boy. You want to show people your little head tilting skills? He tilts his head when you talk to him. Good boy. So anyways, yeah, when I saw this, I'm like, I feel like I'll be making lemonade in my nice kitchen while wearing this. Like, this isn't just like a regular sweatpant type of deal. So yeah, I really like that. And stop sniffing my machine. And you cannot beat the price again. JcPenney has been coming through lately. Yes. And this guy right here, I love a lot. I've been wanting a hoodie for a while. I don't have a lot of outerwear for some reason, especially hoodies or white hoodies. So when I saw this, I had to have it. This is really thin material, but it is really, really warm. It's the Adidas Clima Warm. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, so the material is thin. I got it in size small. I think maybe I should have got the medium one, but you know, it's more like of a fitted hoodie. Has, you know, the hood in the back. They were on sale for buy one, get the other one 50% off, I believe, and they were priced at $55. They have those little holes right here on the sleeve for your thumbs. I didn't know that when I was buying it, but I kind of use it sometimes once in a while, but just tend to wear it the regular way. So I got one for myself and my sister. I really like these. Like I said, I don't have a single hoodie that I bought within the past like 5 years. I have everything from like 10 years ago, which is terrible. So I just wanted to update my closet a little bit. So yeah, and the price, I feel like it was decent for the brand and the fact that I'm sweating in this already, and it's really not a thick material at all, but whatever they did to it, it works because it does keep you warm. And this honestly is probably my favorite thing that I got from JcPenney ever. I feel like this is a must-have for everyone. So this is like the fuzzy sweater. It's 100% polyester, I believe. It has a pocket right here in the middle, and it keeps you so freaking warm. When it got really cold in Florida, like down to 30 degrees, I just wore that as a jacket. So I'm currently starting to sweat. It's extremely warm. The only thing that I wish I got was a size smaller. This is a size medium. They didn't have a small at the time. They had the beige color that I'm wearing right now. They had like a light blue and light pink. Obviously, I gravitated to more like the white beigey color because that's just me, very bland and plain. But they had more colors. This is the brand St. John's Bay, I believe that's what it's called. And again, it was on sale for $22. So really, really, really like this. Oh my gosh, it's like wearing a freaking cloud slash teddy bear on you. Like, it's just so plushy, and whether you wear it inside or outside, like, you love it just the way it feels, because it has the same inside as well. The way it looks on the outside is the same way as it feels and looks on the inside. So it's absolutely like comfy and amazing, and I love it. And this is like a must-have in everybody's closet. I feel like I've been preaching it to everyone to get one, because it's just that freaking amazing. It just feels so good on your skin. So this is it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the clothes. I am going back there tomorrow, and now I have this like little JcPenney addiction, which is weird, but I mean, you know, you're gonna wear it. You're gonna wear it a lot. I'm wearing, you know, that sweater that I just showed you from there, and I really like it. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna bring a part two to it, you know, in a month or two when I get more things. But if you haven't been shopping there in a while, then go ahead and check it out because I feel like it's worth it. So, thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.